excuse me, is that you here?
Oh, Thoa, long time no see. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I couldn't be better.
Great. What's the job now?
I'm a businessman in a video milk company. How about you?
I'm a baker in a small shop.
Are you married yet?
I got married in 2012, and I have a baby girl.
Congratulations. I'm still single.
Where do you live now?
I live at number 24 Ali on Kermoi Street. Are you free this Sundays? Would you like to come to my house?
I don't know how to get there. Could you show me the way, please?
Sure. Now you are at the Academy of Finance. Go straight for about 50 meters, then turn right. Go straight for about 1 kilometer, then turn left, and I will pick up you there.
Oh, it's quite easy to get there. I will visit you this Sunday.
Oh, thank you. See you on Sunday.